This is WHRV's Morning Edition, and Thursdays are CanDo days here on the program where we get together with CADA Plus from the Contemporary Arts Network to talk about things that are going on in our community, things that you can go out and experience, new things you can do. And CADA Plus is here. Getting cold. Did you guys get any snow up your way on Tuesday like we had in Norfolk?
No, we didn't get snow. You got snow?
Yeah, Tuesday morning in Norfolk, there was like 1/8 of an inch on the ground when I woke up. It was crazy.
Oh, man. Was it enough for a snowman? Was it like a dwarf or what? What is it?
No, not enough. But I did go over to my neighbor's house. He's got one of those really expensive four-wheel drive cars he never puts into four-wheel drive. And we watched YouTube videos on how to do that. So
good job, guys.
Everyone really came together, CADA, as a community. So it was beautiful. So as we kick things off this week on our list of events, now we do have some Winter Wonderland activities to speak of and a bunch of other things too. So CADA Plus from the Contemporary Arts Network, it's your time to shine.
We'll start it with Winter Wonderland Train. This is going to be Friday, November 14th from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. at MacArthur Square Light Rail Station. And this one is in downtown Norfolk. This is a family-friendly unveiling of the Winter Wonderland Train with kids' activities, musical performances, and seasonal treats to kick off the holiday lights.
I always think about those butterscotch, Rice Krispie, peanut butter treat things.
I have never heard of that, but you made me think of marshmallow and cocoa.
Hey, whatever they got.
Yeah, that'd be great, especially if it stays cold. I'm not trying to drink hot marshmallow cocoa in 70-degree weather.
Yeah, so. And that's coming from mid-December. It always does.
Right.
So that's tomorrow night, November 14th, 4 to 6 p.m., MacArthur Center Rail Station in Norfolk. Next, we're talking about a very special run happening in Virginia Beach.
Yep, this is a 911K Heroes Run and Tunnel to Towers 5K. So this is two different events. This is first one's going to be Saturday, November 15th, 7:30 a.m. Then the second one is Sunday, November 16th, 9 a.m. It's going to be in Virginia Beach, and this is a back-to-back community run honoring first responders and veterans with commemorative moments and local support organizations joining runners and walkers. Now, I don't know how much an 11K is in miles, but I know it's going to be only a 2-mile run if I show up.
You can still go out and support. That is the 911K Heroes Run and Tunnel Towers 5K, and that is going to be Saturday, November 15th, and then Sunday, November 16th. Look it up online, 911 Heroes Run and Tunnel to Towers 5K. For our next event, where are we heading?
All right, this one's over in Hampton, and it's Revolutionary Hampton Community Day. This is Saturday, November 15th from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Hampton History Museum. Now, this is a free community day with hands-on history activities tied to the Revolutionary Hampton Journeys of Freedom exhibit, plus family programming and interactive displays.
Okay, so Hampton History Museum, Saturday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. for that one. And things are really starting to spin up around the 250th birthday of America, the semi-quincentennial. So,
say that 3 times fast.
Oh, I've said it about 3,000 times over and over. Semi-quincentennial. And we have time for one more. So let's take it back to Norfolk and talk about something going on there. I guess this is holiday related as well.
So this was over at Elation Brewing, and this is a very musical market. This is going to be Wednesday, November 19th at 6 p.m. This is a holiday-themed musical market pairing live chamber music from VSO musicians with local makers for a music-forward shopping experience.
All right, so that's going to be next Wednesday night at 6 p.m. at Elation Brewing, which is actually, incidentally, right behind us here at WHRO. I mean, if we opened up the back door and yelled, they'd tell us to keep it down, so...
Yeah, we might have to walk on over, Chuck.
Literally right off of Collie, right before the bridge over into Larchmont. So, okay, listen, we are really stacking up with folks reaching out, wanting to get their events listed in CanDo, and we're going to take care of everyone, we promise. But you have to send us an email, and we ask for that 2 weeks in advance, please.
Yes, I don't know if it's too early to say, but we're making a list and checking it twice. I had to say it. Okay, you're going to send your events to CanDo@WHRO.org, and we'll check them out.
And we also include it in our email, which goes out to 100,000 people. And then we run now CanDo community calendars on the weekend here on 89.5 WHRV. So, till next week, CADA Plus.
Later, guys.
Thank you so much for keeping public radio alive in your community. This is Morning Edition.